Okay, our next fluency is counting on the rekenrek. Okay, so I'm going to move the beads and I want you to tell me how many beads you see. Okay? How many beads are over here? 1. Now how many beads do you see over here? 2. Now how many beads? 3. Now how many beads? 2. Very good. Now how many beads? 3. How many beads? 4. Very good. How many beads now? 3. Very good. How many beads? 4. Good job. Count them if you need to. How many beads now? 5. Very good. And do you see how all the white ones are over here? If all the white ones are over here, we know that that's 5. And there's also 5 red ones. So we know when all the white ones are on this side, that's 5, okay? Now how many beads are over here? 2. Very good. Now how many beads are over here? 4. Very good. Now how many beads are over here? 3. Excellent job. And now how many beads are over here? 1. Fantastic job. Thank you for counting on the rekenrek today.